Where is my charger?
What happened?
I kept it here last night. It's not here now.
Are you sure?
Yes, I remember clearly.
Maybe you moved it in the morning.
No, I didn't even come here after waking up.
Check your bag once.
I already checked. Nothing.
What about the kitchen?
Why would my charger be in the kitchen?
Just check. Sometimes things move on their own.
Nothing there either.
I think I saw Neha using a charger in the living room.
Did she ask me?
I don't think so.
This keeps happening. Neha, are you using my charger?
Oh yes. I found it on the table.
Why didn't you ask me?
I thought you wouldn't mind.
But I do mind when someone doesn't ask.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to upset you.
It's not about today only.
What do you mean?
My things go missing often. Yesterday it was my headphones.
I didn't know about that.
Last week, my notebook.
Oh,
I don't like searching for my own things.
You should say something clearly.
I don't want to sound rude.
you're not rude. You're being honest.
Silence creates misunderstandings.
When my things are missing, I feel stressed.
I honestly didn't think about that.
Especially when I'm already busy.
I understand now. I'm really sorry, Ria.
Thank you for saying that.
I'll always ask before using anything.
That's all I wanted.
Let's make it simple.
How?
Ask before using.
Agreed.
That sounds fair.
So, can I use your charger now?
Yes, you can.
Thanks for trusting me.
Thanks for asking.
Problems become small when we talk.
Yes, communication matters.
I learned something today.